In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see private Instagram photos legitimately. Before we dive in, it's important to understand how privacy works on Instagram. Private accounts are designed so that only approved followers can see their photos, stories, and posts. There's no legitimate way to bypass that privacy, and trying to do so can violate Instagram's rules and even local laws. The right approach is simple, transparent, and respectful. First, find the account you want to view. Open the Instagram app or go to the website and search for their exact username. If the account is private, you'll see a lock icon and a message indicating that their posts are hidden until they approve you. Take a moment to make sure you've found the correct profile, since many users have similar names. Next, send a follow request by tapping the follow button on their profile. On a private account, that button will change to requested, which means your request has been sent. The account owner will receive a notification and can choose to accept or decline. Now, wait for the account owner to review your request. This can take some time depending on how active they are. You'll get a notification if your request is approved. If it isn't accepted, respect their decision. Privacy is there for a reason, and pushing further isn't appropriate. Once your request is accepted, you'll be able to view the account's photos, stories, highlights, and posts, just like any other profile you follow. Their new posts will appear in your feed, and you can visit their profile to explore their content in full. A few tips to improve your chances and keep things respectful. Be genuine and courteous in how you interact on Instagram. People are more likely to accept requests from accounts that appear real, kind, and aligned with their interests. Avoid any third party apps or services that claim to unlock private profiles. These are often scams, can compromise your personal information, and break Instagram's terms of service. Remember, attempting to access content without permission or to bypass privacy settings can lead to account suspension and potential legal issues. Always seek consent and follow community guidelines. That's the entire legitimate process. Search for the account, send a follow request, wait for approval, and view content once accepted, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.